Haaretz, quoting officials in Israel's Justice Ministry, says they believe a decision by the pre-trial chamber of the ICC could come in a matter of days, if not weeks. While that timeline could not be confirmed, Prosecutor Karim Khan, in a court filing on August 23rd, stressed that the court had jurisdiction to investigate Israeli nationals and asked the judges to finalize their decisions on the warrants of arrest sought in May, urging the pre-trial chamber not to delay in reaching a decision, warning that any unjustified delay would detrimentally affect the rights of the victims. Khan stressed that the court had jurisdiction over Israeli nationals who commit atrocity crimes in Palestinian territories and asked the judges to dismiss legal challenges filed by several dozen governments and parties, arguing that it was settled law that the court had jurisdiction in the situation. The Haaretz report says Justice Ministry officials are cautiously optimistic that the more than 24 legal opinions filed in support of Israel from other countries, organizations and academia increases the chances that the pre-trial chamber could reject the request for warrants. But they also say that the Israeli government's refusal to set up a commission of inquiry to investigate the events of the war and lags in Israeli investigations into the conduct of its military operations in Gaza could preempt action from the ICC under the principle of complementarity and strengthen the case for the issuance of the said arrest warrants. Israeli and Palestinian leaders have both criticized Khan's efforts to seek arrest warrants. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu called the war crimes accusations against him a disgrace, while Hamas accused Prosecutor Khan of trying to equate the victim with the executioner. There is no timeline or deadline for when the pre-trial chamber will take a decision on the prosecutor's request. Shervin Bryce, please, SABC News, New York.